And this is a big call for young captain Gert Ken. He opts for touch, no, changes the decision. And he's going to trust the sharpshooter in Travis Pfeiffer to have a crack. He's not missed one today, but he's kicked phenomenally well. And this surely the toughest one of the evening, combined with the most pressure on it. Rice Smartful, young man, grade 11 student from Gqeberha in the Eastern Cape.
31-32.
As in die kragmeting voor die reën sal daar nog tyd
All
oorwees.
this behind by 1 point.
Dit was Noordheuwel teen Grey College wat 'n geleentheid gehad het in die laaste sekondes.
And you can see from the smoke in the background there's not a breath of wind coming over the Makota at this stage. And he would have kicked many of these in training.
Travis Pfeiffer. Geleentheid om Paul Roos te laat voorloop. So 3 minute se speeltyd oor na die skop. Hy tref goed.
Huge.
Hy het die afstand.
It's through.
Travis Pfeiffer. Kyk net wat beteken dit vir hom. 2 punte die verskil op Marcotter. En my Noord-Suid toernooi op sy heel